now just in case you can see some holes, do you understand, that weren't closed well, all you need to do here is when the one that has this thin part would come into play. So you can just put it on it like this. So you just put it and then you clip. Okay? So I'm giving you various tips on what to do. Okay? So remember I said we have some stains. So I put my dissolver. That's nail dissolver. It's because the container was those containers leak a lot. So all you need to do, let's see what I'm doing. So just going to clean it, clean all the glue. So of course, to avoid this, as I said, you get water close by, so you don't have to start cleaning up unnecessary stains. And then when you want to use your clean up stains, ensure that the cloth color that you're using is the same color as what you're removing the stains on. If not, it could mess it up, it could leak out the color and mess up your work. So it has to be the same color. Okay? Then another thing you need to do is, of course, you wait for it to glue completely before you start cleaning it up. If not, it starts opening. Okay, now the next thing I want to show you is the various materials you can use. Various materials you can use to cover the Satellite Fascinator. Okay, so we have, you can use plain material, of course. Then we have lace. This is lace that you can use. We have spider web. Okay. We have bed cage veil. We have your normal veil. You can also use crinoline. All these can be used. In fact, you can think up of more things you can use. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cover the Satellite Fascinator. Now there are two ways I will cover. In fact, all these various ones has various ways in which you can cover them. I'm trying to look for the front and back of this lace. Okay, this should be the front. Yeah, this is the front. Okay, so in the class you would get to know the various, how to use all these ones. I would arrange it very well for you in the class so you get to know how to use that. Okay, so this, can you see what I'm doing? You just bring it. You have to ensure that you are able to grab all at the middle. Okay, there's a way you can do for the lace also, as in you can wrap it in a different way. That is one layer. This Satellite Fascinator is a 2-layered one that we're doing right now. Okay, so I need to get my needle and thread ready so that we can proceed on this. This is my needle and thread. Take it. See what I'm doing from the back. From the back I take it up. And from here I take it here. excess. Next step in making the satellite fascinator is to get your hat wire that you have already folded together. Now this is 44 inches of hat wire. Now I'm putting my uhu gum all around. I put that carton there so that it doesn't stain my workstation. Okay, so you can do that if you don't want to stain your workstation. So I'm going to put it all over. Then place my lace on top of it the way I want it to appear. Once that's done, you turn it to the other side, okay? And now we're going to cut close to the hat wire. We're going to be cutting close to the millinery wire like so. So keep watching and learning. Okay, and this is how it is. So the next step in making our satellite fascinator is to get the bias. I told you how to make that with your lace and your bridal satin. So I'm going to be putting my uhu gum on it and putting it, just wait. At the edge like so. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm going to be doing this all the way around. Now this is where our peg comes to play. I believe you must be gaining value from this training. If you are, please do click the subscribe button below this video and the bell so you get notified of any of my new upcoming videos. So you're going to be putting the bias all the way around. Okay, so I have cut it off. So the next thing you want to do is take your fascinator base. Okay, it could be flat, or you can even put an accessory on top of here, like this particular video how I did it. Or you get a fascinator base and you either glue it, you can put glue and glue, or you sew it depending on how thick this particular fascinator base is. So if you want to learn more on how to make your satellite fascinator, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm compiling some videos on satellite fascinator and in-depth study on satellite fascinator, so that once you go through that particular class, you can do anything with satellite fascinator. So if there are some more things you want to know about satellite fascinator, you can also drop it down in the comment section below so that I could add that up also to the video. Thank you very much, and do check this next video on satellite fascinator.